In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jira with Google Sheets, a powerful way to seamlessly integrate your project management tool with a spreadsheet application for enhanced data tracking and analysis. So, if you're ready to streamline your workflow and keep your project details right within Google Sheets, let's dive in. First, we'll head over to Google Sheets. This can be easily done by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Sheets, or accessing it directly through your Google Drive. Once you have Google Sheets open, the next step is to click on the option to open a blank sheet. This will serve as our canvas where all the Jira data will be synced. Once your blank sheet is open, navigate your attention to the top of the screen where you will see a menu labeled Extensions. Click on Extensions and a drop-down menu should appear. Hover over the Add-ons option and you will notice that another submenu pops out. From here, click on Get Add-ons. This action will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially the App Store for Google Sheets add-ons. Now, in the Marketplace's search bar, type in Jira. You'll see various options, but what we're interested in today is the Jira Cloud for Sheets. Click on it so that you're directed to the add-ons main page. Here, before you proceed, it's worthwhile to take a moment to glance at some of the descriptions and reviews if you'd like to know how others have found this tool helpful in their work. Once ready, click the Install button. You may be prompted to grant some permissions which are necessary for the add-on to function properly. This is generally safe as it allows the add-on to manage your spreadsheets and communicate with Jira. With the add-on successfully installed, you can close the Marketplace window. Back in your Google Sheet, under the Extensions tab, you should now see Jira Cloud for Sheets listed among your available tools. Clicking on it will provide different options to connect your Jira account and set up the sync parameters that suit best the data you are interested in, such as projects, tasks, or issues. As you start syncing, keep in mind that if at any point you encounter issues or need adjustments, the add-ons documentation or community forums can be very helpful resources. By integrating these two platforms, you're not only centralizing your data analysis, but also saving time and reducing errors that could arise from manual data entry. So there you have it, a straightforward way to combine the powerful project management capabilities of Jira with the flexibility and accessibility of Google Sheets. Hopefully, this setup helps enhance your productivity and allows for more insightful data analysis to guide your projects to successful completion.